Hello and welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we're going to unbox this Oxford Foghorn electromagnetic 4.5 amps 105 decibels snail horn. This is for a motorcycle. It's to replace the original motorcycle horn. Apparently it's waterproof and corrosion proof construction. Universal fit. Now it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. When I saw the pictures on the internet, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than this. Now it's made by Oxford Essential Rider Equipment. And there is a warning on the side of this box that says the trumpet needs to be facing downwards when mounting to your motorbike, and we do not recommend installing the Foghorn onto mopeds and small scooters due to the battery discharge. But it is 12 volt and not 6, so let's have a look inside the box, see what you get. So what have we got here? Right, we got a small mounting bracket, a little nut there, and here we have the Foghorn itself. So it's got a plastic top to it and a metal bottom, or vice versa, whichever way you would say which was top and which was bottom. There's two terminals there, a plus and a minus, although it doesn't say which is which, but that's not a problem on one of these things. There's no other instructions in the box. And on here it says 12 volt snail horn low, 410 Hertz. So that should give it a nice deep low tone to it. 105 decibels, that should be quite loud for the old bike. So there you have it. That is the Oxford Foghorn. Now I will be filming a separate video on how to install one of these to a motorcycle, so please tune back in for that. So we're possibly doing that in the next couple of days. We shall make a video on how to put this onto a motorbike. So anyway, that is the unboxing of the Oxford Foghorn. That's what you get in your box, and I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you have, then please give us those thumbs up and subscribe. So until the next video, thanks for watching, and we shall see you all soon.